Hey folks, it's Tom, your frugal prepper. I'm out here just doing some maintenance on the Hyundai. It's time for a oil change. And I gotta tighten the belts. They need a little snugging up. They've been squealing a little, and had a slow leak in this tire, and it's the valve stem. I use a little screwdriver just to reach down in here and turn this valve stem, get it out of here. And we'll let all that air out. Alright, so what I'm doing is just using this jack pushed up against the car to help break that bead off. There it goes. Alright, so I'm just going to try to cut this. Oh. Pull that out. There it is, and there's where our brake was right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Alright, what I want to do is around the hole where this valve stem goes, you can see that pretty rusty down in there. Rusty crusty. Well, I'll clean it out here with a wire brush. Alright. Yeah, that's nice and clean now. Okay, so I've picked up one of these little 4-way tools and this tubeless tire valve. I have some of these somewhere, but I can't find them right now. But we'll get our valve stem out. I got one that's a little shorter, and what we're going to need is some lubricant in order to fit it into this hole. I like to use ceramic. I use this stuff for everything. I gotta get another tube soon. Just lube that up like so down in that groove. This stuff's great because it won't wash away and it's silicone based and it keeps things from rusting really well. It really keeps the water out, keeps the rust off. This is the stuff I use for brakes and all that too. So now we'll go ahead and just make us some room. Again. We'll slide this baby through like so. And that's fine. We can go ahead and let the tire push up on that a little. Just screw this nice little metal tool down on here. There we go. I'm just going to take a long pair of pliers, pull it in like so. Make sure we're all seated. We are. Alright. There's this kind of seat. There we go. Ting. So I take her up to about 35 pounds. Oh, that's too much. There we go. I'll clean it off a little bit and then we're ready to put this back on the car and rotate the tires. So that's how you can save yourself 20 or 30 bucks going to the tire shop. This little tool, which you probably could just grab this with some pliers. pliers and pull it in. It's not hard. This little tool is $1.39, and the pack of valve stem cores at AutoZone were like $3.39, so it's like $1.50 each. I have one for next time. Save myself some money, and I got it done right in my driveway so I can get this thing done and get on the road to get some parts to fix something else. I'll talk to y'all later. This is Tom, your Frugal Prepper.